Hello, today we will guide you through how to contact Whop customer support. If you need help with your account, a purchase, or anything else on Whop, the process is simple and only takes a moment. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to find the support option directly from your Whop account and start a chat with the customer support team. To begin, open your browser and go to the Whop homepage. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access the support options available from your profile. If you're already logged in, you should be able to continue right away. From the Whop homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile account icon. Click on your profile account to open the account menu. This menu contains several account-related options, including the one you'll need to reach support. After the menu appears, find and click on Help and Support. This will take you to the section where Whop provides assistance for users who need help with their account or platform-related questions. Take a second to make sure you're in the right place before moving on. Next, click on the chat option to begin contacting support. Once the chat window opens, you can start sending your message. When writing your message, it helps to clearly explain the issue you're experiencing. Try to keep your explanation short but specific so the support team can understand your concern quickly and guide you more effectively. For example, you may want to mention what part of the platform you were using and what kind of problem occurred. If you have any relevant details, such as the general type of issue or what you were trying to do before the problem happened, include that in your message as well. Clear information can help speed up the support process and reduce back and forth. And that's it. To contact Whop customer support, go to the Whop homepage, open your profile account from the top right corner, select Help and Support, and then open the chat to send your message. Thanks for following along. With these steps, you should be able to quickly reach Whop customer support whenever you need assistance.